Hello everyone, happy Wednesday evening. So another segment of Cooking with Nicole today. Bonus, you get two today. You had a dessert one earlier and now you get to have an evening supper meal. So I wanted to share a little thing about myself with you. So as you all know, I'm a nurse practitioner and work out Wellness District here in Fargo. I've been a nurse practitioner with the Wellness District now for approximately 7 years. Probably one of the best gigs I have ever had, a great group of people to work with, and not only to mention that I have the best group of patients out there. One of my passions that I love is cooking, and so this has been a really fun little project and challenge that I have had the last couple of days, and so I hope you're all enjoying them, and we'll continue to move forward with some of these extra posts, with sharing some of our own products that we have at the clinic, but also things that I cook for my family. What a lot of people probably don't know is that I was an actual patient at Wellness District. I joined the clinic in 2012. And I lost approximately 34 pounds and have been able to maintain that loss now for almost 7 years. And so it isn't easy for me. I have to struggle just like everybody else, but it is doing these types of meals that I'm showing you that make it so much easier. So right now, we're in a time where we're at home all the time and we're needing that comfort food because yes, it is warming up, but yes, it is still cool outside. So tonight, I decided to highlight one of our products at Wellness District, and it is our Good D's Still Sweet Cracker Biscuits. These things are amazing. Nutrition facts on them is that for one biscuit, it is 120 calories, net carbs 3 grams only, and 4 grams of protein. The only ingredients that you need is this handy dandy package and 2 eggs and 1/4 cup of butter. So I went ahead and made the biscuits earlier today. As you see, there's one missing. I had to sample. It was delicious. And so I made the biscuits ahead, and so we're going to assemble our meal tonight. What we're going to be making is biscuits and gravy. Sound amazing, correct? So we used our Good D's product. I also used, in part of the gravy making, some McCormick's Country Gravy Sauce Mix. Its nutrition facts for a serving is approximately 40 calories and 5 grams of carbohydrate. I only mixed it with water, so there was no added calories or carbs coming from milk or anything. This was just made with water. And then the sausage that I used in the sausage gravy is turkey sausage. No carbs in this, and per serving, which is 2 ounces, is approximately 11 grams of protein. I do have the entire calorie amount of the recipe that we're going to be doing, and I'll share that with you at the end, the nutrition facts, I guess, if you will. So let's start assembling. So we're going to take one of our biscuits and we're going to cut it in half here. And to make this a full meal tonight, I did fry up a few eggs. Now, as you can see, I have some that are turned over and some that are sunny side up. My husband doesn't like them soft, so I made some hard fried eggs for him and a couple of soft eggs for myself. So we're just gonna take one of our eggs here and place it on our biscuit. And then I do have our sausage gravy with the sausage mix and the turkey sausage in there just to spice it up because I like a little spice. I did throw in a little bit of cayenne pepper and some garlic powder, but otherwise the sauce packet itself and the turkey itself did most of the flavoring for us. Excuse me as I grab a spoon here. So we're just this is a 1/2 cup of gravy that I spooned out here. So we're gonna just put this on the top, just a little bit there, and we'll top it with our little topper and put a little bit more of the gravy on top of that. Good hearty yumminess for little carbs, honestly, and protein. And if you like to make it pretty, you can top it with some parsley if you'd like. If you wanted to put a little bit of melted cheese on the top of it, you certainly could do that too. So, total calories, 394 calories, 13 grams of carbs, which is the equivalent of 2.6 teaspoons of sugar, and 27 grams of protein. I bet you can't find that in any other grocery store or restaurant at home. Plus you're staying within guidelines, plus you're feeling full, satisfied, and got a full tummy. Hope you're all having a great evening. Remember the Wellness District in Strongport for your baking needs. Have a great night.